So I had huge conceptions, I won't say misconceptions, before I came on the course, that I was going to have all of these theories around organizational agility and I would have a solution. And I think what's happened for a lot of us, definitely on our course, is that we've realized that agility or adaptiveness is all about the individual, all about ourselves. So I spent about 2 or 3 weeks going, it's probably, I'm okay, but I need to know how to make other people better. I need to know how to make other people agile, and realizing, well, actually it starts with me. So in my final narrative, it was all about organizational agility starts with me. And that was the title of my paper. So it's been a huge shift for me to understand that I need to be adaptive, and it's been amazing. The tools, the frameworks, the narrative and the language, and I love language. The language that's given to me to be able to talk about it to other people so that I can share. And I think from sharing, unpacking our hidden stories, moving into that concept of mutual cooperation, conscious cooperation, that whole awareness, but that we start off from an individual platform and we build that up into the individual, from an individual to dyad, to teams, to organization, and eventually leadership, and then coming down from leadership to create that right environment. So really I'm very excited about it. I'm going to take it back into my own organization, obviously starting with myself, trying to live out those values. And the big question that we're all grappling with is, so how do we make this huge change? Like, we need it. We all know that we need it. We want to change the world. It just seems to be very overwhelming. How are we going to get this change? How are we going to do this? And I think it's like the butterfly effect. It starts with us. So if we can take that on board, we can start modeling that behavior, we can start living it out, and we can truly create a revolution.